Sometimes, the sun can be brutal, pushing you to your limits. But with Omni-Shade Sun Deflector, you can push the sun back. Little white reflective dots combined with a sun-blocking fabric provide advanced protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays. So even in the most extreme heat, you can keep your cool.
Our men's R0 long sleeve sun hoodie is made from a lightweight, fast-drying 94% polyester, 6% spandex with Polygene permanent odor control, and 50+ UPF sun protection. Worn in or out of the water, it offers excellent protection from both sun and wind. A classic pullover hoodie silhouette provides unrestricted movement, and its loose fit allows a cooling airflow over your skin. The hood shades your neck, ears, and head without restricting you, and thumb loops keep the sleeves in place when you're paddling. And it's fair trade certified for sewing, which means the people who made it earned a premium for their labor. Another day in the sun? Cover up in our men's R0 long sleeve sun hoodie.
The SOL Emergency Bivvy is a 3.5-ounce shelter that I never enter the backcountry without. Its seam-sealed edges will keep wind, rain, and snow out, and it reflects 90% of your body heat to keep you warm in order to get some rest and survive the night. The durable heat sheets material is made from a stretchy polyethylene that is coated on the inside with a vapor deposit aluminum. This is the same fabric that we make our world-famous emergency blankets out of. If you do puncture the bivvy, the tear won't run and render the bag useless. The hole can easily be repaired with our favorite, duct tape. The bivvy comes with an extra large stuff sack, actually twice as large as you see here, so you can easily put the bivvy back into the stuff sack for future use. The SOL Emergency Bivvy is 3.5 ounces of ultralight protection that I never enter the backcountry without.
Equinox convertible pants offer more for less, a lot more style than traditional zip-offs, along with great comfort and do-it-all fabric performance in the best 2-in-1 bang for your buck. Convertible pants aren't new, but you've never seen a zip-off like this. Equinox convertible pants are sleek, discreet, and stylish, taking the function of dad pants and making them cool for users of any age. The Sly Thigh Zip-Off changes the game in a zip-off pant. Minimal zipper bulk at the thigh offers more discreet style and improved comfort in a clean, technical look. Beloved for years, lightweight Equinox fabric does it all. It stretches, dries fast, resists wind and water, breathes, and offers UPF 50+ sun protection. No other zip-off pants boast the style and performance of the Equinox convertible pants. They're a perfect choice for travelers with limited luggage space, casual park strolls, serious mountaineering expeditions, and more.
Hooray for spray! Spritz your sunscreen on the go with this clear and unscented continuous spray. Simply twist the nozzle to open, hold the bottle 6 to 10 inches from skin, and then spray on your SPF 50 antioxidant-infused protection. Our 70% certified organic formula will nourish and hydrate your beautiful skin while you're having fun in the sun.
Hi, my name is Julie Hirsch, and I'm the Apparel Category Director at Black Diamond. With me is Rob, who is wearing our new Alpenglow hoodie, a technical layer that's tailor-made for marathon belays in the sun, high alpine approaches, and hot crag sessions. With 50 UPF sun protection and a quick-dry fabric, the Alpenglow hoodie offers lightweight coverage when you need sun protection. Featuring a technical fit, we've added underarm gussets for added range of motion. And the hood is designed to fit under a helmet for bold ascents. The Alpenglow hoodie's quick-dry fabric is treated with Polygene odor control technology, which prevents bacteria growth and keeps your hoodie smelling good so you can wear it more often. The Alpenglow hoodie has a regular fit. Rob is 6'1", 175 pounds, and is wearing a size medium. The Alpenglow hoodie is a worthy addition to any desert or high alpine climbing kit when sun protection is essential.
When it's hot outside and you wish you didn't have to wear anything at all, you'll wish you were wearing a piece from the Echo collection. These shirts, tanks, boxer briefs, and Uber tubes are the closest thing you can get to weightlessness, while still packing in a ton of fabric features that will help you perform your best in the heat. What's hiding within each Echo piece? UPF sun protection. UPF 15 fabric shields your skin from the harmful effect of intense solar rays. The Echo hoodies fit great under climbing helmets for when you're most exposed to sun on rock walls or reflective UV rays from snow. It also features air vent moisture management. Air vent is made of ultra-fine fabrics that provide superb airflow, breathability, and moisture management with a faster drying time. That means you can say goodbye to sweat. Additionally, the Echo collection has active fresh odor control technology. Odor inhibiting technology eliminates bad smells with long-lasting, durable freshness. Yes, your tent mate will thank you. None of the Echo shirts weigh more than 4.5 ounces, and they pack down so incredibly small, it's easy to throw in a couple of extra shirts on extended trips without sacrificing weight or space. Plus, every Echo piece features a flat seam design that prevents chafing and discomfort when you're on the move. From sun-scorched desert climbs to sweltering ultra runs, the Echo collection is the smartest way to tackle the heat.
Stranded outside or in your car during extreme cold, without a shelter or way to stop your core body temperature from dropping, you'll quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation, one that causes more deaths each year than every survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag, all in one. Plus, our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core paracord, plus you have a multi-purpose utility cord you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that's powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds to notify rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivy is also waterproof and ultra durable. It's made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat-sealed seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of the Life Bivy is what protects you from hypothermia by reflecting up to 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. So even though it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces, the Life Bivvy is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it up, and stuff it back into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add to your bug out bag, planning for a winter emergency like being stranded in your car during a harsh storm, or need a lightweight emergency bivvy to carry in your hiking or hunting pack, the Life Bivvy is engineered to stand up to the most intense survival situations and is the emergency sleeping bag for you.